You graduate. You've got the degree, the GitHub portfolio, a few personal projects that made your laptop cry, and maybe even a LEET code streak that's older than your dog. You're excited. This is it, the moment you start applying to junior developer jobs. But then you open LinkedIn, and bam, entry-level position, must have 5+ years experience with React, Angular, Vue, and preferably a PhD in advanced containerized cloud blockchain DevOps microservices. You laugh. You think it's a joke. It's not. They're dead serious. Oh, and before we start, how about you hit that like button and subscribe to become a fellow codehead? Junior positions that read like boss battles. You'd think junior means companies will take a chance on someone still learning. But apparently, junior now means senior engineer who costs less and doesn't ask too many questions. There's something darkly poetic about a job labeled Level 1 that requires mastery of 12 different frameworks, fluency in 3 languages, knowledge of obscure build tools last updated in 2013, and the ability to explain the difference between OAuth 1.0a and OAuth 2.0 on the spot. Let's break this down. First, the experience paradox. You can't get a job without experience, and you can't get experience without a job. So naturally, companies just pretend that junior devs already have years of experience. The logic is flawless. It's like asking a toddler to drive, then rejecting them for not having a license. Then there's the tech stack creep. These listings want you to be full stack, mobile first, cloud native, and preferably telepathic. They want you to use React, but also Angular in case they migrate back. You should know Docker, Kubernetes, GraphQL, WebSockets, REST, gRPC, and if you've touched COBOL, that's a plus. Oh, and by the way, the actual job is mostly just fixing CSS on a WordPress site, but they forgot to mention that. And don't even get me started on the interview process. First, you submit your resume. Then you do a coding challenge, then another coding challenge, then a take-home project, then 4 interviews, then a behavioral panel, then they ghost you. All for a job that pays $50,000, requires you to be in the office 5 days a week, and proudly advertises free coffee and occasional pizza Fridays. The reason this keeps happening is simple. Companies want senior-level skills at intern-level salaries. The market is saturated, so they know people will still apply. Plus, a lot of these listings are written by HR people or recruiters who just copy-paste a bunch of buzzwords without understanding what any of them mean. Familiar with machine learning? Cool, you once clicked a TensorFlow tutorial, so that counts. Must be proficient with Jenkins? You better believe that pipeline won't write itself. And the saddest part? This leads to talented junior devs burning out before they even get started. They think they're the problem, they think they're not good enough. When really it's the system that's broken. The expectations are so out of sync with reality that people spend months grinding LEET code, building 5 portfolio apps, making YouTube tutorials just to prove they're worth interviewing, only to get rejected because someone else had more real-world experience. Let's be real. No junior should be expected to lead architectural decisions. No junior should be managing interns. And no junior should be expected to rewrite the entire backend in Rust just for fun. If the position demands all that, it's not junior. It's not mid-level. It's probably 2 roles mashed into one, with a senior title duct-taped behind a junior salary. So here's the truth. If you're struggling to land that first job, it's not you. It's the broken expectation machine. Keep learning. Keep building. And remember, if someone hires you and throws you into the deep end without mentorship or support, they're not giving you an opportunity. They're just hoping you can swim while they go get coffee.
Hello, how are you? I am under the water. Please help me.
Oh, and if you are really serious about upgrading your coding skills, why not use AlgoMonster? It is the smartest way to prep for coding interviews, built by engineers from Google, Meta, and all the other companies you're secretly trying to impress. Unlike other platforms that just throw LEET code problems at you like dodgeballs, AlgoMonster teaches you through patterns with a fully structured learning plan that actually makes sense. And their new practice section doesn't just help you grind, it mirrors real interviews, so you're not caught off guard when the pressure hits. Plus, they've got flowcharts to help you pick the best algorithm for the problem at hand, templates that give you a ready-to-use structure for your solutions, and even speedrun features for when you're cramming like it's finals week. Head over to AlgoMonster using the link in the description to get 20% off. Thank you for sitting through another dumb tech rant, and if you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe to become a fellow codehead.